Hey everyone, thank you for joining me tonight. I have a request to show my train cases, and the request was made by Nina262626. So this video is gonna be a combination because it's gonna show my collection, my makeup collection also, since that's where I keep everything, are in my train cases, with the exception of my brushes and most of my pencils. So right here, I'll start with my containers for my brushes. These are my Bare Minerals and e.l.f. brushes mostly. And these are all my Posh brushes. And there's the Kabuki in the little case. It actually comes out. There it is. And then these are all my NYX pencils. Gonna need a bigger jar for that soon. These are all of my Steely Style pencils. And these are my MAC brushes. There's also a few Low & Cornell ones that are in here also, but mostly MAC. And then this is not a train case, but this is a box that I keep stuff in, like tools and makeup sponges and stuff like that. I have my primer in here. I have fake eyelashes, my Urban Decay primer potion, my Too Faced shadow insurance, my Prime Time, my Benefit shellac, and what else is in here? And my Bare Minerals Weather Everything, which is another product that's similar to the shellac. So I keep everything in this little box that I got really cheap at Target. And then, let's see, we'll just kind of randomly go through the train cases. This is my first train case that I'm going to open. It was a train case that I bought from Claire's, and I bought two actually that day. If you were there for my video in which I talked about the two, it was buy one get one half off, and there was a lot of makeup that came inside of them as well. But when I went initially to the mall to go look, I wanted to buy train cases. So this train case has most of my color palettes. Let's see here. So some LA Colors, the Clean Color eye palette that I really like, all my Revlon quad cream shadows are in here. LA Colors, CoverGirl, more CoverGirl, and this one is Jazz by Diamond Cosmetics. So this actually happens to be, I think, one of the only train cases that I don't have organized by a specific line of cosmetics. Kind of weird like that. I try to put the same brand in the same case, or most of the same brand in one case. So this one, okay, so this one has all of my Icing and Claire's. You can see the palettes here and the colored mascaras. I actually have a couple of Victoria's Secrets things in here. And then, oh, also all of my Jane palettes are in here too. So it's this and that. Another Jane palette, and then my Jane gel liners. I also have my lip glosses from Icing, and let's see, this one is a Too Faced lip gloss. And then everything that I have from the Mira line is also in this train case, which is really just these two lipsticks and the pencils that you see up here. And then these two are just some Maybelline Liquid Eyes that I have there. So that is the other little train case. Then we'll get to this red one. And this is where I keep all of my Milani and NYC stuff. So I've got my shadows, some of my blushes and quads. In the middle level, I have my lipsticks, my lip glosses, my mascaras, more blushes, lots of lip gloss down here, and lip pencils. And so that's what's in the red train case. Let's see, we'll go to this little itty brown one, which actually this just holds my nail stuff. This and this little plastic case. I actually need to get something so that I can put everything in one place for all of my nail stuff. So I got nail polishes. I got a lot of the Jessica line cuticle care, nail care type of things. There's some polishes in there. So this is my nail set. See, this train case is kind of my everything else train case. I've got some Ulta, some of my Co Bigelow, some random lipsticks, and then on the main compartment, it's just a lot of, again, random things. On this top little zipper part, I have a bronzer from LVL, and then I have a lot of my Patricia Wexler stuff in here. And then down here, I just have my makeup remover, shea butter, some lip balms, and my palette that I made. This is what kind of the end product looked like. See, I put them all in there, put some stickers on. That's what, that was my little creation. I think it was a couple weeks ago. And so that's this black train case, which is a cloth one. And then I will do a part 2 so that you can see what's in my 3 largest train cases. That one is my MAC one, and the 2 silver ones are both from Caboodles. So stay tuned, and I'll show you what's in those 2. Okay, bye.